CoffeeLoaders.com is a Virginia-based American manufacturing company that specializes in solving problems faced by coffee roasters. We offer a growing range of equipment for coffee roasters, including affordable green coffee systems, DeStoners, bins and loaders for green, ground, and roasted coffee. Our green coffee systems are designed for specialty roasters and mid-sized commercial roasteries. Our goal is to eliminate lifting heavy bags of coffee while delivering accurate blends to a roaster. They also reduce spillage and increase the number of roasts per day. Team members love our green coffee systems. Life is much better when they don't have to carry heavy bags of coffee and breathe clean air without coffee dust. Our line of DeStoners cover roast from 5 pounds to 5 bags. The fluid bed design eliminates adjustments for different roasts and reduces or eliminates broken beans. Customers with X-ray inspection systems have seen their rock separation efficiency go from 61% with a traditional DeStoner to 98% with our fluid bed technology. We offer a full line of loaders for coffee. Many of our loaders have no filters above your hopper to clean and do not require compressed air. Loaders for green, ground, and roasted coffee are for applications up to 3,000 pounds per hour. We also offer lids, hanging hoppers, and hoist kits to match your hopper or packaging machines. Our products are made in America with the best equipment available. We utilize a full range of computer-controlled equipment, including laser cutters, plasma cutters, press brakes, and laser welders. We are one of the first companies in America to adopt hand laser welding. As a result, we create near-perfect welds that old technology cannot match. Our well-trained staff is skilled in metal fabrication, welding, control assembly, and 3D printing. We also offer 24/7 customer support. If you're a coffee roaster, we have a solution for you. Our innovative solutions for coffee loaders and DeStoners are designed to eliminate stones in your coffee, broken beans, or dust all over your roastery. No more backaches from lifting or headaches from loud loaders. You can have a clean, dust-free roastery when you buy our loaders. Give us a call to review your application today.
Are you ready to take your roastery to the next level? You're in luck! Here are 2 videos that will show you how to increase efficiency and keep your employees happy. Get ready to learn and grow with CoffeeLoaders.com.